It brings what you eat inside of you. And also takes away all the dirty. Like the way you can go to the toilet. All the things and that umbilical cord. When you have the umbilical cord,
you have power to depend. To depend on the source of provision. If you have that level, it gives you the ability to access life. It gives you the power and the ability to access everything you need for your living. It is called a knuckle. A knuckle. It is only when you come out. That is when you can think that you don't need your mother. You don't need your mother. When you come out and you grow, you think you don't need a mother, forgetting that your source, the source was your mother. And I want to relate it with where we are right now. In the very beginning, we had our dependence, our reliability in God. In God. We used to live by God. We used to live with God. We used to live in God. God knew us. Let the mother can feel the baby moving in the womb. Like a doctor can check and know the sex of the baby. God knew you. God knew you. God knew you. He talks to Jeremiah and he says to him, I knew you before you were born. I knew you and I knew your purposes. I knew that you'll be a prophet to the nation. In God, that is where we are known. Your environment of knowledge is in God. Your environment of power is in God. Your environment of success is in God. Your environment of giftings is in God. Your environment of ability is in God. Your environment of skill is in God. Your environment of potential is in God. What does that mean? Outside God, I begin to get lost. Outside God, I cease to be. I cease to live. Outside God, I cannot be. Outside God, I am here to tell you, when you live outside God, you begin to die. Regardless of who you are, regardless of what power you have, regardless of how famous you are, regardless of how wealthy you are, you begin to die.
You
begin to die. The enemy can only access you when you are outside God. Outside God. Everything else, he cannot access you. The devil could not steal the glory of a man, not until he crossed the line. God told him, as long as you are obedient, you will live. But when the day you disobey me, the day you disobey my instruction, that is the very day you will die. That is the very day you will die. Soon or later, when Adam disobeyed God, we are where we are because of that disobedience. He crossed the line. He crossed the line. He crossed the line. Ladies and gentlemen, the things we desire in this life, without God, are vanity. A vanity. I can give you all the money. I am telling you, you can have all the money. All the money that you need, you will still go wrong. Outside God. Outside God. Outside God. Outside God. I can make you a president. I can give you the power. But as long as you are there, without God, you will end up in vanity. You can be famous. Many people can know you. But outside God, people will see you go. People will see you die. Them knowing you, cannot make you alive. There are 4 things I want you to know today. 4 things. And then we shall pray. God is your source. God is your source. Anything else made a source for man. Made a source for man. It's poisonous. It's toxic. It cannot even benefit man. The Bible says that God formed man from the dust. And he breathed into him. And he became a living soul. That is how man is supposed to live. By the breath of God. By the breath of God. Everything else created, like the fish of the sea,